Hello friends, is your car's air conditioning not cooling properly? Is the AC compressor not engaging? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0530, it means there's a problem with the AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. Ignoring this can lead to poor cooling, compressor failure, and even engine overheating in some cases. In this video, I'll explain what P0530 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0530? The P0530 code stands for AC Refrigerant Pressure Sensor Circuit Malfunction. This means the engine control module or climate control module is not receiving the correct signal from the refrigerant pressure sensor. If the pressure reading is too high or too low, the AC system may shut down to prevent damage. Common symptoms of P0530: check engine light or AC warning light on AC not blowing cold air. AC compressor not engaging. Fluctuating AC cooling performance. Unusual noises from the AC system. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0530, check these key components. AC refrigerant pressure sensor location. Mounted on the high pressure side of the AC system, usually on or near the AC condenser or the refrigerant line. AC compressor and clutch location, front of the engine, near the serpentine belt. Engine control module, ECM, or climate control module, CCM. Location, under the dashboard or in the engine bay, managing AC system operation. Wiring and connectors. Location, running from the refrigerant pressure sensor to the ECM and AC components. Tip: a faulty sensor reading can prevent the compressor from engaging, stopping your AC from cooling properly. Common causes of P0530. Faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor. A bad sensor sends incorrect pressure readings to the ECM. Too low or overcharged refrigerant. Incorrect refrigerant levels can trigger the sensor to send an error signal. 3. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or damaged wires can disrupt sensor signals. 4. Faulty AC compressor or clutch. If the compressor isn't working, the pressure readings may be affected. 5. ECM or CCM issues. A malfunctioning ECM may not correctly interpret sensor data. How to fix P0530? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0530 code. Step 2. Inspect the AC refrigerant pressure sensor. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Check refrigerant levels. Low or overcharged refrigerant can cause this error. Step 4. Inspect the AC compressor and clutch. Ensure they engage properly. Step 5. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose connections or damage. Step 6. Reset the code and test the AC system. Clear the code and ensure the AC functions correctly. Final words. Ignoring P0530 can leave you without a working AC, especially in hot weather. Fixing it early ensures cool and comfortable drives. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0314, cylinder misfire detected. Random P0315, crankshaft position system variation not learned. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.